Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a very different kind of unboxing to share with you, and it's a brand new box to my channel, and it's Aura Kits, and this is how it arrives in the post. So if you're new to Aura Kits, I'll tell you everything there is to know about it, but if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly sent to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. All thoughts and opinions remain my own. This is a holistic and spiritual box, so it's different to any other unboxings that I do on my channel. This box centres on well-being, self-care and mindfulness. They specialise in holistic products that go hand in hand with spiritual practices and rituals. The cost of the box is £25 a month, and when you get to checkout you can opt to pay monthly or bi-monthly or yearly. I do have a code that they've given me. I don't receive anything for it, but it's an amazing code. It's to have £10 off your first box, so it's a 40% off code, which is Aura40. I'll pop all details and the code in my description, so underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. That code is valid until the 31st of August. So the products that you'll find in the boxes focusing on channeling peace, relaxation, balance and cleansing your energy, and items include smudge sticks, natural candles, natural incense, Himalayan pink bath salts, relaxation tracks, guides on meditations, crystals and much more. You can also buy this box as a gift for someone, plus they do another box which is for expectant mums to be as well. Now they don't normally deliver outside of the UK, but they can do so. They just say in their terms and conditions that your package might incur custom charges, which you will be responsible for. But if you are out of the UK and you're interested in getting this box for yourself, then my advice is to email them first, and they can tell you about any additional like shipping costs and things like that. So I think that's it. So let's go on to showing you what I received. So the first thing I noticed when I opened this box, that there's a white feather. White feathers are supposed to symbolise like purity, protection and hope, and yeah, I just thought that was a really lovely touch, really beautiful. Thank you message from the owner Charlene of the box, and then it just tells you a little bit about the Aura kit as well, which I've already talked about. It just goes on to telling you what type of products that you'd find in these boxes. I'll give you a sneak peek of the contents, and the smell is gorgeous. It is really lovely. So you can see some items there, and we got a little leaflet. So I'll just go through the leaflet, giving you an outline of what this box is all about. We've got here meditation 10 to 15 minutes daily, and it says find in a quiet space, make yourself comfortable and close your eyes. You may play meditation, relaxation music in the background if you wish. And then it goes on to telling you how to do relaxation techniques. It says thoughts will pop up and come by, but let them be and continue with your breathing. Your goal is to quiet your mind, connect with source energy and experience peace. This will come with practice. This is self-love. It says life is all about balance, and meditation will bring forward the balance you need. You do not always need to get stuff done. Sometimes it's perfectly okay to shut down and just do nothing. And then it goes on to white sage smudging, which we've got one in the box, so I'll read that when I get to that. And then it goes on to positive affirmations. As the things that we think and the words that we speak regularly become our belief systems and ultimately our reality, saying positive affirmations daily can have amazing effects on your mind, body and soul. For instance, saying I am worthy, I love myself unconditionally, I am a creator of my life, everything always works out for me, money flows to me in abundance, my body is in great condition, I am grateful for all that I have, I am confident in who I am, I honour myself where I am right now, it's up to me how I feel, and today I choose happiness. And next it's the Himalayan salt bath cleanse, which I'll read a little bit when I show you the item in the box. And on the back here it just gives you an overall feel for the box. It says my mission is to give you the tools and guidance to cleanse, heal and balance your energetic auras. Take the break from the noise of everyday life and learn how to quiet your mind, find peace and restore your energy with Aura healing kits. Taking care of yourself holistically can improve your physical appearance, health, your emotions and mental health, as well as your spiritual connection to mind, body and soul. well. Are you ready to prioritize and practice self-care and self-love? Take the first step towards a more relaxed mind, body and spirit with Aura Healing Kits. Each monthly self-care kit is designed to help you unwind with the best natural materials and widely used practices and techniques. Quiet your mind, find peace and clear your energy of that which is no longer needed. Practicing meditation, positive visualization and daily affirmations will make a positive impact in your life. Relieve stress, tension, anxiety, plus many other negative emotions. Create a peaceful environment and relax with a clear, centered mind. It is so, so true. I've got a degree in counselling, and part of my counselling training and post degree, I was doing mindfulness with clients and guided meditations, and it was just really, really lovely. It's nice and relaxing. Once you understand the basic principles and you give yourself that space and that time, it can become a part of your daily or weekly routine. Just a couple of minutes to do some breathing exercises, clearing your mind, it can really, really help. But the message in this box is spot on: cleanse, healing and balancing. It's just a reminder for me. So thank you, Aura Kits. So let's get on to showing you then the items. So the first item in the box is a smudge stick. This is what it looks like. It's like that. So when you first light these, you've got to be careful. Preferably do it outside or in the bath or something like that, because it can be a little bit messy. So you light it, wait until it's caught, and then you blow it out. And then it's the smoke then, which you go around your room, cleansing your room. Now this one smells gorgeous. Blue sage or grandmother sage. I've never heard of that. Grandmother sage. Cleansing of negativity or exorcism. It also contains Palo Santo, which is for purification, brings good luck and cleanses negative spirits. It says here, it's got information on the back on how to do it. Light smudge stick or loose leaves. Wait a moment, then blow out flames. Fan embers lightly to keep smouldering. You may need to relight it. Use the smoke to wash person's property or spaces. Use a shell or pottery to catch ashes. All fluorescent ranch products are sustainably harvested in traditional manners. So going back to this leaflet here, what else can I tell you about it? Use your sage not only to cleanse your auric field, but also your home, car and workplace. With the utmost positive intentions, after grounding and protecting yourself, light your smudge stick and blow out any remaining flames. Fan the smoke around your body, your auric field, and move in a clockwise direction from above your head, your crown chakra, right down to your feet and back up the other side. In your mind, ask that the energy that is not of your own to be removed. Any stagnant energy, psychic attack, negativity or low vibrations be removed and replaced with pure positive energy. You can cleanse your energy, your aura, as many times as you like and set positive intentions. If you are feeling tired and sluggish after a long day, smudging is great for cleansing all of the energies you have picked up throughout the day. Your sage can be used during full and new moon rituals, as well as when manifesting the things you desire to clear and bless the space you are in. Use your sage to cleanse your crystals before using them. This clears the energies and recharges them. I haven't used these for years, but I used to use them before I did Reiki. It makes your house quite stinky, but it's not a bad smell. It's not a bad smell. So we've got a smudge stick. So next we've got a crystal, and this is a pyrite crystal. So it's like a gold, slightly green, grey, sparkly crystal. There's a card in the box so that you can learn a little bit about the crystal, and it says that this is a stone of action, vitality, and will boost your self-worth, deters negative energy, protective stone, attracts wealth and abundance, provides emotional healing, promotes good physical health and well-being, inspires confidence and persistence. So this card gives you a brief overview of what this crystal is, but there is a ton of information on the website, so you'll be able to look into it a little bit more on how to use it and where to place it, etc. So there's that. Next we've got a bag of Himalayan pink bath salts. I love this little bag. It's really lovely, isn't it? The whole smell of these products just reminds me of a shop that I used to go to when I was younger. It had everything. It had smudge sticks, it had crystals, it had gorgeous silver, like bohemian jewellery and bags and everything like that. And it just brings me back. It just brings me back. I love it. As you can see there. See, And there's some information in the leaflet which I'll read to you. So, with your utmost positive intentions, pour a handful of your salts under a hot running tap. While soaking, ask in your mind for any negative, low vibrational energy to be removed from your auric field. Ask for any energy that is not of your own to also be removed and replaced with pure positive energy. Repeat during the week as often as you feel necessary. Always ground and protect your energy before and afterwards using your intent. That. Next we got a chakra balancing. Where is it? We got a chakra balancing candle. Gorgeous little pot, and this is root rose. This is to help nurturing, strengthening and grounding. No, I'm not that keen on rose smells, unfortunately. It's very rosy. It is very rosy, and unfortunately for me, I don't like rose smelling things. Yeah, especially like long lasting smells like candles. Yeah, it depends on the type of rose. If it's quite a subtle smell, then it's fine, because I do love floral. I love floral smells, but a particular rose smell, and I'm not that keen on it, unfortunately. I'll try it and see what it's like. If it's quite strong, then no, I'll pass it on to someone who I know would love it. But if it's quite a subtle smell, it'd be okay. I've just realised as well that, that it's cracked there. It's not coming apart, but it's cracked there. So you've got a balancing candle. And lastly, you've got 100% pure essential oil bergamot, and by the brand Nakura. Dilute 5 drops to 10 ml of carrier oil for massage, or add 5 to 8 drops in a bath, or add 5 to 7 drops mixed with water to an oil burner. Now, bergamot oil is used to elevate mood and reduce stress. It's also used in many like health tonics, as it has antiseptic properties and healing properties. It's a gorgeous smell. I do like bergamot. I always get it confused with lemons. I always think, oh, I can smell lemons, but no, it's bergamot. So it has got like that citrusy smell. It is gorgeous. I love it. So I will use this in my oil burner. So those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up. So inside my aura kit, I have got 5 products. I've got a smudge stick. I've got bath salts. I've got a balancing candle. I've got a bergamot essential oil, and I've got a pyrite crystal down there. Also, we got the little booklet here, and it details some of the products and how to use them, as well as talking through affirmations and meditations. I really like it. I do think it's an amazing book. It focuses on your well-being, self-love and positivity, and encouraging you to find that space to concentrate on yourself. Yeah, I'm impressed with it. I haven't unboxed a box like this before, so I'm really grateful to Aura Kits for sending this out to me. Now, because this is my very first box, I am basing this unboxing review on my box. I would love to hear your comments if you've subscribed to Aura Box before or purchased off their website. Any information that you can share down below, so that we can have a big collective pool of information so that we can share with everyone. That would be wonderful. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and please let me know what you think of this box as well, and whether this box is for you or not. As I said, all details and everything will be listed down below, including that £10 off your first box if you're interested. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.